Hi, welcome back. When it comes to internet marketing, there's a lot of abbreviations out there like PPC, pay-per-click, SEM, search engine marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and so on. So if you've been wondering what SEO truly is, then this is what Wikipedia says. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic known as natural or organic results, also means free traffic, rather than direct traffic or paid traffic. Unpaid traffic may originate from different kinds of searches, including image search, video search, academic search, news search, and industry-specific vertical search. Here's what that means in simple English. There's your website, then there's a search engine like Google, and then there's a person who's doing the search. We call him the searcher. So it's you, Google, and the searcher. Now, if you provide disaster restoration services, your goal is that your website should rank high in search phrases like water damage restoration services, mold removal services, basement water extraction, fire restoration, smoke odor removal, and so on and so forth. If you provide cleaning services, then your goal is to rank high under search phrases like carpet cleaning services, rug cleaning, rug repair. Maybe you also do office cleaning services, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, and so on. So whichever services you provide, the goal is to bring your website on page 1 of Google in those services. Not just page 1 of Google, but in top 1 or 2 position in top ranking in free search in Google. Now there's something that you need to understand. Search is everywhere, okay? So we obviously know that there's search on search engines. People go to Google and search for things. People go to Yahoo and Bing search for things. People go to AOL and search for things, and so on. But there's also a huge amount of search on YouTube. People go to YouTube and search for certain videos. I'm sure you may have gone to YouTube looking for a video as well. So those are video searches. People also go to places like Yelp and do a search. People go to Amazon and do a search. We always go to Amazon and look for a product. It might be a camera, it might be a laptop, it might be something else. People also search on sites like CNN, Fox, even Facebook, LinkedIn. So search is everywhere, not just limited to Google. Once you understand how search engine optimization works, you will be able to increase the rankings of your listings of your website in other places besides Google as well. If you're on Yelp, you will be able to make changes to your listing and rank high. If you have videos in YouTube, you'll be able to increase the rankings of your videos as well. Same thing, if you have a Facebook page, you'll be able to increase the rankings of your Facebook business page. So as we move forward with this course, and as you start learning the search engine optimization process, it's not limited to your website or Google. You can use the same strategies in your other listings, in your videos, in your Facebook, LinkedIn business pages, and so on and so forth. So while you're going through every single step, every single video, think of all the assets you have on internet. And when you're listening to a certain strategy, don't just limit that to your website. Also think at the same time, hey, that's a great idea. I can do this on my website, but I can also do the same to my video in YouTube. And so as we move forward, you will understand what I exactly mean. But my point is, think big. Think outside your website as well. Think outside Google as well. If you have listings on Yelp, if you have listings on Google My Business, if you have listings other places, think of them as well as we go along with this course, okay? Maybe you want to make a list of all the listings you have on search engines, so they're always in front of you as you go through these videos. And think about them besides your website, and write any ideas that you get. And as we move forward, start implementing those ideas as well. So by the time we get to the end of the course, you will already start seeing some results. And I'll see you now in the next video.